What is going on, guys? I have got myself in a predicament. I did not pay attention to the weather like I should have been, and I waited till today, and I just put the last 2 sticks of firewood in the dang heater. It's about 30 degrees. It's supposed to get down to like, well, it's about 34. It's supposed to get down to 32 tonight, and it's cold, and it's about to get cold at the house when the fire goes out. So I'm gonna go out here and battle the pouring rain, freezing cold, and see if I can get the old chainsaw to run and see if we can get some firewood. We're gonna break out the old Kawasaki and see what we can do. It is just a straight up mess out here in Arkansas today. It was 75 and sunny last week. Come on, I wasn't expecting the damn weather to come back. I know I should have. Well guys, I got the old Remington out of the box. Y'all might not know, I tested out the Black Max. It's pretty cold out here. This thing, I had to bypass the bubble on it because it broke one day and I ain't never got a new one. Well guys, I come to the conclusion that that damn Remington ain't gonna run. It done set too long in the shop, and maybe it's something to do with not having a bubble. I don't know. I figured it would just pump gas eventually and run, but I crank, choke, everything, and it ain't doing it. I think the carburetor done got gummed up, that damn ethanol gas. So I'm just gonna grab the four-wheeler and the trailer and see how many sticks I can get by hand and break, and see what I can do. I might go up here. There's a couple chunks around the log splitter and just split them up and see if I can get something. Alright, maybe I'll make it through this cold spell.
Oh shit. Oh, it's cold and wet.
Oh, damn. It's cold. There we go. Oh yeah, I upgraded the trailer. I didn't video that, but I remember in the last video the tire blew out. I went back and fully upgraded that thing to where we didn't have to worry about tires blowing out. I cut the spindles off a four-wheeler and welded them all in there with some square tubing, braced it up. So it's A1 now. So I forgot about this wood. We split this last year and it's been laying out here ever since. It's wet. I don't know if it's gonna burn, but I didn't know the storm was coming. I kind of been off track doing other things and forgot all about keeping up with firewood. And About got myself in a bind. Which I got a couple more chunks, cants up there at the log splitter. I just have to go split them. It's a battle of the freezing rain. That's enough for a couple hours. But we'll go unload that, see what else I can find laying around here. Alright. But yeah, the old trailer, she holds a lot more weight now. But dang, it's cold. I got some more behind Dad's house I'll go get. Alright, I got that stuff loaded on the porch. And let's go find some more. Oh. I might take these chunks up there and split them real fast so they're dry. That log splitter, because they're not. It's too big to fit in the door on the heater. I might put that one down. That one won't split, it's got a knot in it. Oh, until I ain't no professional wood splitter. I like that gas powered one. But you know, one day we might not have no gas. And it's good to know how to do this stuff. There we go. That'll fit in there. I've been trying to split this thing for a while. I brought it down here and tried an electric log splitter and it wouldn't do it. So let's go see if that gas powered one will do it. It's pretty seasoned, about 2 years. Been sitting around. Oh, I got one more. One more over here. Some knotty sucker right here. This is where the gas powered one comes in handy for knots. Usually I get my cousin split all the stuff with he likes splitting it by hand. He like to use it as a workout. See if this thing will run. I'll turn the gas on. Ugh. Oh, it's freaking cold. It ain't freezing the what rain yet though. That's good. It's right at about probably 35 right now. Choke. Got gas in it. There we go. Yeah, them damn knots just busting the chips. There's a couple more pieces over here. They're waterlogged, but they'll dry out. Yeah, one reason I got a split wood is because it won't fit in my heater. For two, unsplit wood, you can't hardly get it to burn. It's too dense or something. Oh, I'm soaking wet, freezing cold. Normally I stack this stuff all neat, but I'm too cold to sit here and try to stack it. My legs are soaking wet and my back. Oh, it's freezing. I hope I don't catch the damn pneumonia. But you gotta keep everybody warm. You know. Yeah, this stuff just turned into chunks. It's some ugly looking wood, but it'll burn. Everybody always sees firewood look pretty. It looks cool. I'm probably gonna take most of this inside, stack it by the wood heater. That way I ain't gotta keep making trips outside. Well guys, I got all the wood stacked in here. Got a good fire going. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Everybody like and subscribe. If you got some kids, go check out the Lansdale Kids. We made another channel for the kids on there. So it's got 4 videos on it so far, but they're pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna be trying to get videos out once a week on both channels. And that's what we're gonna be trying to do. And everybody like, subscribe.